Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maan Fashion. How are you? I hope my all friends and my viewers will be fine, okay, and doing well and enjoying their life with their sweet feminine friends like me. I'm also good, perfect, alhamdulillah, thanks of my Allah. So guys, let's back to our video. Today I'm going to share with you most beautiful and most stylish babies crochet collection, crochet accessories, crochet frock designs. These are very attractive and eye-catching and outstanding crochet baby frock designs and ideas that how you can make with your own hands, because these are handmade collection, knitted collection. So my dear friends, you can watch first time video. If then please sub my channel Maan Fashion and press bell icon. After clicking bell icon, you will get the notifications all of my videos, my tips and ideas. If you visit my channel Maan Fashion, you can get latest ideas. You can see many more collections. Women footwear, women fit jewelry, crochet collection, crochet outfit dresses for ladies, for babies, for home decorations, accessories. Leather collection, outfit dresses, bags, purses, shoes and feet jewelry, anklet, toe rings. Wow, so beautiful designs. Some are with beautiful headband and also shoe. Okay my dears, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Till then, goodbye and Allah Hafiz.